I'm Polybath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to address one of your questions. What do you do when you tell a child to stop immediately and they say, "I wasn't doing anything"? First of all, give yourself a little grace. Put a little space between your thought and your action, because your immediate response is going to be to lash out a little bit and say, "Well, why do you think I said stop immediately? But you were doing this." And before you know it, we're in this power struggle trying to explain why we said stop immediately. Kids do this a lot. "I wasn't doing anything. What was I doing?" If you say stop immediately and they come back and say, "But I wasn't doing anything," then they heard you. That's the good news. They did not come back to you with, "Oh, absolutely, miss. I'm sorry, I didn't catch myself in that moment. Thank you for giving me that redirection." That's not going to happen. They're going to come back with something that's going to make them look a little bit cool in front of their friends because they just got caught doing something they shouldn't be doing. So you're going to have to accept the fact that that comment is acknowledgement that they heard you say stop immediately. And if they stop, you're good. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos. If you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.